Alrighty, welcome back to another exciting episode, thrilling even, of the Jack 4 development stream. I'm Jack 4, and this is the video game. This is what it looks like. This is how you play it. You move the mouse around. No. Let's see. The rest of this album might be too epic for like background music. I don't think that's what it's really like. It's listening music, it's not background music. That's the problem. I have too good of taste. So let's put on something... Yeah, let's put on something more low-key, like the Card City Nights 2 soundtrack, my old favorite. But yeah, that album, Pix and Bit by Patricia Taxon, it's really good. I like it a lot. Also, I have some food here that I should have eaten it before. I should have eaten my food before I started this, but oh well. Okay, so what we're gonna work on today is some fun stuff, because it's gonna be the gun. Is that what I was doing? Yeah, the wave shot. I was supposed to do this stuff. I'm not going to. What I'm gonna do is and I should have like a story reason for why you go here. I'm not going to. Instead, let's see, what chunk is this? 85? 225. Let's hack my save game. This will be like 500, and this will be 2250. Let's see how that looks. That should put me basically where I want to be, just way up in the air. Yeah, look at that. So yeah, this is going to be... I'm going to do a bit of work to make this into a level. Because what's supposed to happen is there's going to be a wall that goes all the way across this plateau, and this is the only way in. And these walls are supposedly, allegedly, too narrow to, or too steep to climb. Also, I have hidden the UI for my epic screenshot. I also need to fix the shadow acne. Yuck. But that's a problem for another day. What we need to figure out, or more so you can just watch me. I don't need too much input from you. But hang on. Speaking of input, I need to actually have the chat window visible. Okay, enough of this nonsense. I'm gonna be right in here. We'll figure out the level later. Now what we need to do is figure out our epic new gun. Why did I get this out? Don't get out the fancy tools if you know you got something that works. It doesn't work. I'm sorry to say. Lady, okay, there it goes. All right. So basically, there's gonna be a wave shot, or it's a gun where you charge it up, and then you shoot it, and it makes a big sphere of damage around you. And this also sends you upward. So the reason for this is that it'll function as not only like an area of effect thing, but also it'll function as a double jump, basically. Hang on, I need to eat my food. It's not actually very good. I bought some frozen, I don't know what they are, like campanadas, I think they were. It's a frozen corn tortilla thing, like stuffed corn tortilla. It just has black beans in it. It's not great. Oh well. But anyway, let's get into the shape of the gun. It should be round to communicate the shape of the damage. So I'm gonna get in a hand here. Just so that we have some idea of like what I want to do with it. Let's say, and since Jackie's hands are literally like these mittens, I'm just gonna do that. Okay. That's how hands do. I think it could be kind of large, so maybe like Basically what I'm thinking is this is all like some sort of big handle or like big shield or something. And there's our lovely little trigger guard. She has no discipline, both for triggers and otherwise. And then it just kind of wraps around and like has this handle here. And then maybe just a smaller thumb hole. Like, I don't need to go nuts with it. I don't think it should droop. So once it goes out, it's actually pretty sturdy looking. I think that's a bit too high up, and I don't like, yeah, that was a failure. This is what guns look like. It was like the world's tiniest Makarov or something. So it's like, how do I make this believably shoot in like a sphere? Maybe something deliberately kind of goofy, so maybe it has like that big like radar, like a big radar dish style. I think I could improve on that idea. Or maybe... like some sort of funky old-time ray gun. But I'm not a fan of that shape. And maybe it smooths out here, so it's like not so hurtful on the hands or something. I should figure out the main shape first, though. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere with this one. Like, it's not going to light the world on fire, but that's not bad. Let's see. What do I like about it? I like how kind of stocky that is, so maybe... And this will be another one that's made of the same copper as the gun, but it'll be... I guess it... well, I don't know. Maybe it'll be some sort of hybrid thing. Because I want it to be... that there's a mix of different technologies and, like, civilizations that you're using weapons from. So these are all, like, old world things. See, and I like something like that, but maybe a bit more constrained. Though I don't know if the dainty little trigger guard works with this. Like why would you have this, like, chunky thing? How does this connect? It's like, I know that this... Trying to figure out what exactly this material is going to look like in 3D. And I have to make the trigger and handle match, in general, the trigger and handle of the other pistol. And I think something that I want to do is, as it charges up, I want it to, like... I want to have the internal sort of come out. So I think it's actually going to split in half down the middle, if I can draw it in 3D. This is why I do my 3D modeling in the Blender and not in Paint. So, prepare to see some stuff. Okay, maybe there's like a bunch of holes here, like, or it has like a grating or something. And then as it prepares to fire, these halves like split apart. And there's like a motor inside that's charging it up. And there's like lights in here, and it's like, I don't know, it's whizzing around and it's going all crazy. That's, you know, that's how, you know, video games are designed. This is how this is concept art. This is how concept art looks. But yeah, there's gonna be, oh my god, can I do, let's see if I can figure out a 3/4 view of this. This is just me like challenging, like just drawing things that I can't draw. But basically there's just gonna be a seam there. And then this thing comes out. There's this mean thing. And this is sort of like extruded out from it. Well, I could have done a worse job. Yeah, look at that. It's like the same thing, but from a different angle. It's incredible. You know, nothing, yeah, a design that's not going to light the world on fire, but I think it conveys this is a gun that shoots not far. I like this one. Okay. So let's get this. Wave shot ref. I don't need these. Another thing that's sort of not doing these campanadas or whatever any favors is the fact that I tried to make my own ranch. Even though I don't have, I think you need just scallions. Like, that's what's missing. Or some sort of like really acidic, like fresh vegetable. What am I looking for? All right, so we're gonna have two collections, reference and whatever else I need. Yeah, let's We need our pistol here. It's tiny. Okay, that's itty bitty. Maybe I should just make it really big. Okay, this will be a problem. I think I just need to make the top bigger, the handle smaller. I'll do that now, before I forget. And then make it all off model. Because I had to do a lot of work to figure out that, did I actually? I don't remember how much work I actually put into into properly scaling the pistol. I remember I just had to scale the handle way up. Or the body way up. And if that's that far away... I don't know if I like this then. You know? Because it seems unbalanced now. Well. Whatever. It's fine. I think... That may be too big, because I want the... I'm divided on what I want for the handle. Because the handle clearly isn't going to be going up that high, so I think maybe it needs to be narrower. Let's let God sort it out. I'll figure it out later. That's a weird place for this. Yeah, this thing is better with just like hot sauce on it rather than the ranch. Okay. I wish there was an easy way to just, you know, do that. And then this is gonna feed into, like, I should have probably figured out literally anything about the internal, since this thing is gonna open up. But where's the fun in that? I'll just box model it until it works. Like, this has to be something different. Nope. I should have looked at the model before I started modeling. That's what I want. Now that's how guns look. Gun. No, wave shot. Where does this go? Yep. That was, yeah, I gotta. There we go. I know. I'm gonna... I was thinking of deleting this segment because I'm not going to. Basically, I'll just expand this out and make it look cool. Before I get too far, I should probably make sure that all of this actually, like, makes sense and isn't bad, but I'll figure that out later. How it's going to work for now is this thing will come back about to here. It'll come out more. Nah, that's good. And then there's going to be a little sphere in here or something. So it'll be like there's some cool little mechanism in here that's just nonsense. Let's get rid of this face. So yeah, there'll be something here that, like, you know, feeds into this mechanism, and then there'll be like whatever, maybe some wires. Who doesn't like wires? and it'll be as if it like you know, has something. And they'll be inside of here. That's how things look. And then a little sphere. Let's do... It'll be like this. Isn't that brilliant? I also made it rotate the wrong way, but okay. But yeah, and then this will rotate like that when it's charging up, and you can see it in there, and there'll be like little lights attached to it, or like emissive materials or something. And I also need to make this have literally any semblance of like aesthetic. And because the trigger's not going to move, I'll just make it like that. This is honestly coming along. Let's add our edge split. Let's make it 40. Oop. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So now all I need is, I'm gonna have a little thing to push this out, so it'll be like, I think another like cylinder attached here, so it'll be what, 5. Oh. 5, 0.1, 0.1, 0.2. All right. Oop. Gonna take another bite of this terrible thing. If they tried putting literally any amount of flavor into it, I think it would have been pretty good. But they didn't. Okay, but now I need... trying to think of how I want to do this. I think I'm going to temporarily do a cursor to center. I'm going to make it a plane. Because eventually this is going to be solidified. About that thick. Oh wait, I forgot, I don't have to worry about any of that other faces. That was exactly the point of this. Yeah, so now I don't have to worry about like keeping the geometry consistent or sensible while I do all of this stuff. Boom. Let's see, this one, how do I want to use this geometry? I'm definitely not in love with this, like, topology here. Because I want something to go like that. Something goes there. Because, like, I need, well, I just need this stuff to not go so crazy. Let's see what it looks like once I properly, like, have it all, like, 3D'd out. Like, do I need, like, 6 of these vertices here? I would go so far as to say, I doubt it. Do I need... I don't think I need this at all. Maybe this gun can have... Well, I was gonna say a cool scope, but that'd be stupid. Because the gun is... It's literally a short range weapon. Okay, I'm gonna try joining it. Alrighty. So that does basically what I want, but I need to apply the modifier first. And also make sure that it actually looks good, which it doesn't really right now. Ah, this is the part that's sort of thrown me off. Because, like, this is coming along. That's also, like, really, unnecessarily, like, in here. Oh. What? Okay, there we go. I meant to apply this, because now I'm gonna... Huh? Okay. Let's see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also get some of this just pushed inward, not really for any like goal. Well, not to like, oh, wait, whoops. Primarily just to like hide some of this, because now it's a bit too like open in here. Alright, that's good. And now, cursor to... We're gonna make a skeleton for this bad boy. It won't be anything fancy, it'll just be, root. It'll be... Can you... Huh? Why x-axis? Why is that the only one? That's weird. I may have to rotate this whole thing by 90 degrees. Ah, well. I won't lose sleep over it. So basically, yeah, that's the root. Then we, cursor to selected. So this is going to be kind of clunky. Yeah, I'll keep this attached to the bone. Why not? It'll be selection to cursor. So yeah, basically this will be, when this spins, this spins. Everything else, there's gonna only be 2 other bones. There will be, oh, what the heck? Panel left, or brilliant. Then what is root 01? Oh, it's the little sphere thing. I should rename that. Assign. 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 Let's see how this looks. So yeah, we can move the gun around. Oh. Yeah, and then we can have these open up. And they won't open up very far. They'll maybe open up like that far. So I'll also need a I'm gonna have a little bit of this extruding in. Right. So yeah, basically all of this is going to just merge with that, sort of oh, excuse me. I'm dying. It's going to hide that. Certainly didn't do a good job, but oh well. Yeah, it'll come out like that. Far, maybe. When it's fully charged. And then it'll slam shut. Let's see, the part I should have done earlier, or the part I should have done first was actually making the gun. Like the gameplay for it, but that's okay. Yeah, look at that. We have our little weapon. For now, I'm just gonna slap a texture on it. And by texture, I mean, no, I'm not gonna put that on there. That's dumb. I think this may be, in the end, copper with some of this white metal in here. But, whatever. So, entities. No. Player. Weapons. Fire. Oh wait, no, it's in gun. So state.hidden, set state. So if current dot charge type equals false. I know. Oh wait, no. Basically, I'm gonna have a script or a new variable that'll be defined by each of these weapons. Var charge fire. Yuck. That was a weird noise. Hopefully that didn't come up on the microphone. Okay, so there's going to be a sphere around the thing. This size will be determined dynamically based on your charge and other factors, maybe. For now, I think it'll be 2 meters. And there will be a sphere around in the danger zone. Mesh instance. And it'll have the same material as the hologram, I think. If I remember where I put that. No, actually, it won't. It'll have something different. But it'll use this same shader. Oh. For now, nah, this isn't what I want. New shader, shader type, canvas, render, mode. Oh wait, no. Blend add. Export. No. 2D. Main texture. Void frag. Albedo, so the albedo equals normal dot z. No, wait. Not that. Yes, that's getting closer to what I want. And then let's do like how this too. Let's see. Yeah, that's getting close. And then equals same texture. UV no main texture UV. And now I can use something like oh wait. And I may want to do something that's better than this. Excuse me. But that'll be later. Because what I want to do now is just make this firing work. Gonna go up to... Wait, this needs to be... Maybe it'll be positional. Eventually, I think this actually has to be, like, spawned into the world as, like, a separate thing to do what I want to do. But maybe not. I'll figure it out. This will be like that. Let's see what that looks like. Not quite. How do I... Okay. So this is what I want. Okay. If charge fire no, I know. Let's see. Elif event dot action pressed shoot if is action released combat shoot and it'll ignore this can fire function, I think. Yeah. Let's do if state Alright, so with all of that, now I need to figure out where to actually put this thing. So let's go to, what is this, chunk 85? Yeah, I have that up and running. Yeah, because there's a cave system underneath it. Let's just put items wave shot pickup. And the preview will just be the weapon. Hello? Load. Okay. So what should happen is nothing right now. I walked up to the gun. Oh, it's down there. I pick it up. He goes plink, and then nothing. Yeah. Because I need to add that first off to, excuse me, weapons. Wave shot. And then I need to figure out where I actually load those. Yeah. Wave shot. Scene equals load res. This is a great system. I mean, I think I've made some things that I'm going to take with me to other games. This weapon system is probably not one of them. Okay. So that, at least, got that there. Why did it load the wrong thing, though? So, like, the weapon scene is now this. Also, this should... Oh, wait, that's all fine. Okay. What am I doing? I have too much crap open. Okay, whatever. Pack scene, call deferred, set current weapon. So let's do, if for C in ref.children get children. So the Jackie's gun. So the gun ref. Uh-oh. I need to remove the current... I know. If current weapon ref.remove child. Also, I'm going to swap out the music because I'm not a fan of this song. Actually, I wonder if there's so Cilantro from that album that I was playing at the start, Pix and Bit, has lyrics, but oh, I really like this one. Castle Sinclair Gurnigo. I don't know what that word is. But okay, this is some high quality music. Sorry for that. Tried to load weapon that was not packed scene. Oh. Alright. That's what I get for not reading the error messages. Also, this is gonna be a bit... This music's gonna be a bit too good soon. Because, yeah, I really like all of Patricia Taxon's music. But it's also, like, as I mentioned at the start of the stream, it's listening music, it's not background music. Unless you're really... Ooh. And it crashed. Okay. Now we need to figure out what the error is. Time firing. Let's just... Okay, let's just take this one by one. So we need a time firing. I can get a time firing. It'll be pretty slow. And I think that's all we need to do. Besides that. Ooh. It doesn't go away, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, and I don't know if I want it to be attached to the player like it is now. Okay, let's have that, First off, important thing. With this material, first off I need to save it. And I need to make it so that it does color.a. Because I'm going to key this color so that when this plays it'll gradually fade away as well. And what I'm going to do is when it fires, damage area dot global transform origin equals all right. Create a param. Oh wait, no. I need a for color hint color. White by default. That needs to be like that. Alright, that looks pretty cute. It's like you blast a little bubble with your little cute little bubble gun. Maybe that's what it should be called. Not a wave shot, a bubble shot or something like that. Yeah, pop. And I think maybe it should probably be in cull none. Let's see, this song has lyrics, so it's also probably not great for background music. This one doesn't. Ah. And the bubbles don't... Okay, and that actually makes the bubbles better, because it's just two additive layers, so it like really amps them up. And for this, I need to have the ability to like figure out what the current weapon is. And if it can charge shot, I can actually enable it. It also needs to be a significantly bigger area. I may need to do something better. So tween. Playback. How does this work? I've never used Godot's tween functions. I just know that I need to set the scale of these things programmatic by a script. Okay. So let's do bar charging false time 0.0 equals 0 false whatever. Delta time plus equals delta. So let's see, there'll be constants of max radius 3 const min radius equals 1 const and basically you gain 0.75 meters per second that you hold the button, so you have to hold it for like 4 seconds to get the max charge time, and that'll all be in this firing thing. So it'll be how many things can I tween with this? Oh well. We'll still have this firing animation, but it's only going to set the visibility. Damage area mesh instance. No, scale. The initial value is times so if you spam it, it'll still have this minimum radius, and then VR. See, that's, yeah. And that'll have exactly the same thing. So it'll be I wonder if I can set a curve for this. Oh, okay, I can. And I also need the duration. So I need the transition settings, the or transition type. Let's do transition cubic. And it'll only ease out. Wait, what is the difference between ease in out and ease out in? Oh, okay. Hope this looks as good as the thing that I made. Not exactly. I think I need two tweens. No, I guess I don't. Well, I'll keep that anyway. Or will I? Okay, and all that crap is because of that still. So why would these... Oh, it's because there's a reset, maybe? Maybe it's because of these? So... let's get rid of those. That might be the problem. Okay, what is up with that? Let's try... let's try just making this thing visible. No, but I have to... Oh, it might be because, I'm gonna try holding it for longer. Nope. Is scale... maybe scale isn't a valid property, and it's just not, No? Okay. It says it's scale. Firing at radius 1. Firing at radius 1.5 or 2 in all those. Also, wait, hang on. It shouldn't have... why is it releasing there? Current weapon.charge. So what exactly is happening there? Is it sending the frame input multiple times? Do I have a state timer? Okay, I do. So let's see. If state is charging, if state timer greater than 0.1. So you can't tap and release within one frame. It has to be I don't think that'll be right. I don't think that'll be good. Yeah, because that way if I really tap on it, let's just put greater than 0. So it has to run at least one frame. So if you press it and release it in the same frame, it won't register. I should do something different. This is getting bad. I know exactly what I should do. That isn't there. Don't I have process? I'm an idiot. Why did I put process at the bottom? If not input dot is action pressed combat shoot fire. That should hopefully get that working. Oh. Firing. So now it's doing something right. Why is this tween not working? Oh, I have to call tween.start. Great. Can I interpolate multiple properties with one tween? I'm gonna figure this out right now. Actually, first I'll make sure that it works, and then I'll do that. Yeah, look at that. I think it should have a bigger radius. It should be like 1.25. And it should be, let's see, constant. It'll use this. And now let's see if it works with multiple properties. Huh, I think it does. Maybe. Alright, and I have to make sure that the weapon is properly like maintained when the yeah, I have to make sure that it's considered active when the gun is still being charged. So let's do, first off I want to do Visible equals false. Laser. And it'll be all this stuff, so. Oh. And yeah, it won't have the laser. Let's see. Let's get another. Oh, that one's not. This one's more of a noise one. Let's see. I think I'll leave the rest of the album for the audience to listen to in their free time. I'm going to switch to the Dreaming Sarah soundtrack. Which is much more low key. And I'm also gonna add a damage area to this thing. And I think I might just have the damage set, well, trying to think what I want to do with the damage on it. Think. Wait, how does this work? What is this? Oh no, this is a thing for taking damage. It's a hurt box. That was the. Oh wait, no. Okay, this is right. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna see how this works for NPC or an enemy. There'll just be one right there. And I'll also need to add the weapon switching. Wait, why did he get hurt twice there? Oh, right, because it's... Okay, so it's because it stays active. Yeah, okay. I have to add that to... So this animation player should also disable this collider. Because otherwise they're just going to kill themselves on it. And I'm gonna also make it way bigger still. Say that it can go like 8 meters wide. And we'll have a bunch of guys here. And I should have made the laser different for each weapon, but that's okay. And this, it holds pretty nicely actually. That worked out significantly better than I expected. I thought I'd have to rework that, but it seems like it's perfectly placed. I also need to change it because right now all of the state transitions will interrupt the charging. So I may need to make it actually a separate thing. Like if the weapon is charging, it's always visible. And also it's the collision shape is too big. So I think it may be... I bet you it's because it's two tweens. Or I'm trying to use two tweens with that. Yeah, like you can see where the laser turns back on. Also, I'm holding the trigger now, and we'll see in a few seconds that the gun is going to disappear, I think. Yeah, so that needs to change. So it'll be wherever that is. Hide? Yeah, time hide. If not aiming and not current weapon charging. No, and let's just have a function for that. And current charge, fire, and charging. And I'm gonna let's add something here. So there's gonna be an animation player, then new charge, and that'll just be a little sprite on the thing, and it'll be like oh well, this will be, you know, a whole bunch of ceremony for this, but oh well. Drop passes. Let's do something simple. Copy. also copy our material. If I've remembered to do that or whatever. Oh, it's already 7:30. Time flies when you're having fun. I didn't even get to the important parts yet, but I'm going to keep working then. How does this work? Shouldn't this thing be emitting? I mean, I have my passes, I have my material. Huh? Why is it invisible? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna make this unique then. Okay, that makes a lot of sense now. Let's hide that bad boy. Do curve texture. It'll gradually fade to nothing. Actually, I'll even do this. Do initial velocity. That seems safe. This seems like it's a safe weapon to use. Yeah, charge. That's when the emissions will happen. And then every other time, it's when they won't. So like here, also keep. Let's see how this looks. So what should happen is, oh, I should add a little trail. Hang on. Or I should make it so that these are in world space. So it should, oh wait, no. It doesn't start it. Because I didn't add it. And I didn't make it a loop. And eventually, it'll actually do, like, there'll be two animations. So there'll be like a 5-second like charging up animation, and then like a you're completely charged animation. I know what it should do. Anytime it uses state.charging, so if it's going to do if ching and regardless of whatever state it is, it'll do that. So that way, it'll still be kind of jank now because the laser disappears and there's stuff that like... Oh. Huh? If charging and the input is not pressed, fire. I'm just going to put this at the top. I don't get what's happening. Like, why did it... Like... For some reason, the firing button is still pressed. So if I'm charging, fire. Okay, let's just do if current string. Huh? Okay, when do I set charging? Why do I set charging? Okay. Well, I figured out the problem. So it turns out if you want computers to do something, you shouldn't tell them the exact opposite of what you want them to do. Alright, and look at that. Now I can do that. There's some times where it doesn't work right. Like it stopped charging there. I think? No, it didn't. What? Hang on. I'm just gonna make these particles not have that radius. Or what am I gonna do? I'm gonna slightly boost the scale. I'm going to remove this radial acceleration so that they bubble out. I'm going to slightly increase the gravity so that they're heading up. Alright, now it should be much more obvious when the weapon is charging. Yeah, I think this will be called the bubble shot in game. And also it'd be nice if it had like a cute like depth effect like water does. Oh, I think it's because it's not shooting, it just doesn't shoot as fast as I think it should. Like it has to disappear completely before it before you put down another bubble. Wait, why is it... They're not emitting anymore. I just need to... Okay. Also, why does this... This doesn't even need to be there. Yeah, I don't think... I think because... Yeah, I'm just going to do that. Because I think there's some shenanigans with the animations, like being queued and stuff. I just need it to keep charging, but there we go. And now it's not... Is it a one-shot thing? What is this? Okay, I'm just gonna do particles dot emitting equals charging. Oh wait, also if and I think I'll quit at 8 at the latest. So yeah, what is that? Like, the bubbles are gone. And there's also like a half shot at sometimes. Did you yeah, like that. I don't... Yeah, what is... I think... Did I put... Yeah, I put them here. They shouldn't be there. In fire, shouldn't be there. Because that's handled by the thing. What is that? Why is it... Like, the bubble should be here. Because the... The delta's going up. Print. Charging. Print. Fire. Maybe it's something like the animation is being messed up. Okay. What am I missing here? Why were the particles emitting before, and now they're not emitting? Is it something with this? What? What did I do? Oh my god. It's because I didn't... It's because this material is still... It's because the make unique button doesn't work. Okay. Epic. Awesome. That was a fun little thing. Alright. Let's get some awesome bubbles in here. This is gonna be epic. I can feel it. Look at that. Now the bubbles are there. Now they should. Look at that. And now the. What? Hang on. Okay, it's just hard to see sometimes. Also, sometimes it just doesn't work right. Okay, now for the most important thing. Script, gun, let's just put like a function get function recoil. No, it'll be a variable. So it'll be const max recoil equals, I don't know, 7 min recoil 0 coil sec equals, I don't know, maybe that goes up faster. And this is going to be like 3, 2, 1. Yeah, let's do that for both of these. So R recoil clamp charging time times coil seconds min recoil max recoil. And then there's going to be and then the gun is going to check for recoil. So all of this stuff with firing. Where's the actual like firing thing? Yeah. So if recoil in current weapon. Also, this needs to be I don't know where that's Jackie, right? I think Jackie is the holder of the gun. Yeah. Function apply velocity. Player dot velocity plus equals velocity. And let's do like, nah, okay, that's fine. Let's see how that looks. Because that should send the player in the air, and it'll be kind of weird. And it won't, like, interrupt their state. Let's add way more velocity. Let's have the min recoil be like 7, and this will be 20. And let's just see how that looks. Actually, let's do so all recoil will reset the player's velocity. I'm pretty sure this is literally the only gun that's going to use this method anyway, so it doesn't matter. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Okay, now I need to figure out better like animation blending logic for that. Ooh. Oh, right, because I forgot to increase that this recoil for a second. So it'll be like, I don't know, let's do like 5. I think this needs to be like 15. Like 2, maybe. One. So that's the maximum amount of air that you get from that. So that's actually quite a bit. It's gonna be like, okay, that's a big leap forward. And because it's like such a long-lasting damage field. Also, what is that? What? Okay. I also have to stop these tweens, I think. Like I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure these two things can be just set at the start of the, like just there. Then let's do dot stop. Stops all tweens. Okay, I swear, it sounds like it's meant to be used like this. Oh, right. I forgot about the whole, like, radius thing. Because I want to make it so that those little, like, half shots don't come out. Because they're, like... Yeah, like, literally that. think it's because of this. Okay, it was just the color, actually. That's pretty effective. I'm also going to change the damage to 5. Or like... yeah, 5. If I can... okay. Where is damage? Oh wait, no, it's in this thing. So it does as much damage as the pistol, has way less range. It allows for significantly increased height. I also need to implement the weapon switching, so I'll do that. Let's do Thursday, or what is it, Wednesday? Finite ammo. Animation. I literally forgot what I was going to do. There's something I was going to do and I forgot what it was. Also, I need the audio. I need a better audio indicator for, or yeah, I'll just need to add audio for this. I think I'll do that on Thursday. All right, another minor thing. I'm gonna make it so that it doesn't do the whole laser messing with this stuff. It'll just do that. And then no, that's all fine. Thursday, textures, sound, level designs. Yeah, I swear there's like a gameplay thing that I now don't know what to do with. Oh, right. I think I need to be able to charge it sooner. Also, it seems like the area for it is... yeah, it seems like that attack area is in... okay, I'm gonna stop messing around with trying to get it to work with one tween. I think it's not working with one tween. Tween 2. My brain is too small for this. I don't understand how it works. I think it's just their hitboxes are just... What is that? There's just something completely wrong with it. Like it's so much bigger. Yeah, so that's fine. That's not the problem, I don't think. Right. Okay. That's a problem. I've been doing this. I've been making it a vector. It should be just a value. I appreciate Godot always watching my back by making sure that I don't make mistakes like that. Yeah, that's... Okay, this is honestly a pretty great little tool. Though I need to be able to enable it from anywhere. So it's going to be yeah, it's going to be return current weapon dot charge fire, or I'm actually going to remove everything except for visible equals true and hold gun. I think. And then I also need to do can fire. Current weapon is charged fire. And it's not charging. No. This is basically just a completely bespoke thing for this one weapon. You can fire it and charge it at any point because it's just as much like a mobility tool as it is anything else. Excuse me. So yeah, you can just start charging it anytime. Release the charge anytime. I might even make it so that you can get more powers for it, so that it's completely busted. So it's like unlimited double jumps or something. Ooh. I like this. Oh, right. Weapon switching was the feature that I forgot to add, so that'll be Wednesday. Yeah, because I'm already over the time that I said I was going to stream for. And I'm gonna make it so that 3 seconds should be the maximum charge time. Maybe 4 seconds. And so I'll make a little, like, cute little sound effect for it that revs it up. For some reason, sometimes, like, oh wait, I know what it is. When the gun is hidden, so when she puts it away, eventually. No, that's not it. Huh. Because for some reason, sometimes when I press the trigger, the gun doesn't start charging, but she pulls it out, I think. Yeah, and this thing seems sufficiently different. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh no, that doesn't help much. I bet you I can do this. I have to time this pretty carefully. Yeah, I can't fit. Okay, that's still okay. So these towers or this cliffside is still good to like keep the player in here, unless they got a bunch of stamina ups, which I should probably account for, but I won't. And I should also account for the jank when the player is like in this state. Ah, well, that's all good. That's all well and good. I will figure out why that's happening. But we have the basic functionality for the weapon. Status. M. Added bubble shot. And this is available on GitHub. I'll let you guys figure that out. And so for tomorrow and Thursday, I'm going to keep working on these. I'm going to add the ammo, the animations, the weapon switching, then textures, sound, and some level designs based on this. Maybe if we get around to it. I might work on these sounds off stream though. And then Friday and Sunday, I do all the all this stuff: the Path to the Plateau, Quarry Village, Crab Hill. That should be fun. And then the Saturday, when should I do that actually? I think this is gonna be. That'll be the other Tuesday through Thursday. But okay, I want to thank anyone who's watching this. I will see you guys tomorrow.